Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zillow Zestimate history to support negotiation strategy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Zillow Zestimate history, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zillow website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar. Enter the address of the property you're interested in. Click on the search icon to view the property details. Scroll down to find the Zestimate section on the property page. Look for a link labeled Zestimate History or similar. Click on that link to access the historical data. Review the Zestimate history for trends and fluctuations over time. Take note of any significant changes in the Zestimate. Analyze the data to support your negotiation strategy. Use this information to assess the fair market value of the property. Keep records of relevant Zestimate history for your discussions. This will strengthen your position during negotiations. Conclude by reviewing the entire analysis periodically. Stay informed on any updates to the Zestimate in the future. This will help you make informed decisions in real estate transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.